Does your shoulder keep you up at night? Right? This is a very important question, and if the answer to that question for you is yes, then you really should come in and let us take a look. And my name is Kevin Kruse. I'm an orthopedic surgeon who specializes in shoulder surgery, and when your shoulder gets so bad that it's affecting your sleep at night, that means you could have a pretty significant problem in your shoulder that really should be evaluated by someone who specializes in that area. It could be a tear in the rotator cuff, it could be arthritis in the shoulder, it could be a myriad of things. But really, sleep is so fundamentally important to our lives and our health and well-being that it just doesn't make sense to let yourself continue to live with something that can really be fixed in several ways at a very in a very consistent, highly efficient, effective manner. So if your shoulder is bothering you so bad that you can't sleep, please give us a call.